Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wheelbarrow that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Best Choice Products Dual Wheel Home Utility Yard Wheelbarrow. We recently had the chance to test this wheelbarrow out, and we were impressed with its overall performance. The deep design of the wheelbarrow allowed us to carry a lot of materials at once, which saved us time and effort. The two-wheel design made it easy to steer and maneuver, even on uneven surfaces, and the inflatable rubber wheels provided a smooth ride. One thing we did find a bit frustrating was the assembly process. It took us a while to put all the pieces together, and the instructions weren't as clear as we would have liked. However, once we had it assembled, we were pleased with how sturdy and well-built the wheelbarrow felt. Overall, we think the Best Choice Products Dual Wheel Home Utility Yard Wheelbarrow Garden Cart is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile wheelbarrow. It's easy to use, comfortable to handle, and built to last. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Gorilla Cart's Poly Garden Dump Cart. We recently had the opportunity to test out the Gorilla Cart's Poly Garden Dump Cart, and we were impressed by its overall performance. The quick-release dumping system is a game-changer, allowing us to unload heavy loads with ease. The four-wheel design provides excellent stability and maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through tight spaces and around corners. The poly bed is also a standout feature, as it is maintenance-free and easy to clean. We appreciate the steel frame design, which not only reduces assembly time but also improves maneuverability. The pneumatic tires are also a nice touch, as they can handle any terrain and provide a smooth ride. However, the bed dimensions may be too small for some users, especially if you need to transport large items. The pneumatic tires may also require occasional maintenance, such as inflating or replacing them. Finally, the cart may not be suitable for heavy-duty commercial use, as it is designed for light-duty homeowner use. Overall, we highly recommend the Gorilla Cart's Poly Garden Dump Cart for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile garden cart. At number 3, we have the Elevon Dual Wheel Home Garden Yard Utility Wheelbarrow. We recently purchased the Elevon Dual Wheel Home Garden Yard Utility Wheelbarrow Cart with built-in stand for our backyard gardening needs. It was easy to assemble, taking us only a few minutes to put together. The two air-filled tires and padded handlebar made it easy to lift and maneuver, even when fully loaded with soil and mulch. The rust-proof deep wheelbarrow is perfect for holding a large amount of gardening materials, and we were able to fit up to 5 cubic feet of soil and mulch without any issues. The built-in stand was a convenient feature that allowed us to easily store the wheelbarrow without it tipping over. However, we did find that the weight capacity of 300 pounds may not be enough for heavy-duty jobs. Additionally, the instructions for assembly could be clearer and more detailed. Overall, we would recommend the Elevon Dual Wheel Home Garden Yard Utility Wheelbarrow Cart with built-in stand for anyone in need of a durable and easy-to-use wheelbarrow for their home gardening needs. At number 2, we have the Gorilla Cart's 800-pound capacity heavy-duty Poly Yard Garden Steel Dump Utility Wheelbarrow. We highly recommend purchasing the Gorilla Cart's 800-pound capacity heavy-duty Poly Yard Garden Steel Dump Utility Wheelbarrow Wagon Cart with 2-in-1 towing ATV handle, gray because of its exceptional durability and usability. This cart is perfect for DIY, farming, or gardening. The long-lasting, high-strength poly bed is maintenance-free, easy to clean, and rust-resistant, providing years of dependable service. The 2-in-1 convertible handle allows the cart to be pulled by hand or quickly changed to a hitch for towing, making it the perfect heavy-duty alternative to a wheelbarrow for all your outdoor needs. We found that the cart was easy to assemble and maneuver. The dump feature is amazing and necessary when filling it with heavy soil or other materials. The cart is very solid and sturdy, while still being relatively lightweight and easy to lift. Overall, we highly recommend the Gorilla Cart's 800-pound capacity heavy-duty poly-yard garden steel dump utility wheelbarrow wagon cart with 2-in-1 towing ATV handle. Great for anyone in need of a heavy-duty outdoor cart. And finally at number 1, we have the Gorilla Cart's GCR4 poly dump cart. If you're looking for a heavy-duty garden cart that can handle all your hauling tasks, the Gorilla Cart's GCR4 poly dump cart is an excellent choice. With its sturdy construction and innovative design, this garden wagon is perfect for both casual gardeners and lawn professionals alike. We recently had the opportunity to test out the Gorilla Cart's GCR4 poly dump cart, and we were thoroughly impressed with its performance. The two-wheel design made it easy to maneuver, and the low center of gravity provided excellent stability, even when hauling heavy loads. One of the standout features of this garden cart is the foldable handle, which makes storage a breeze. When not in use, the handle can be folded down, saving valuable space in your shed or garage. Assembly was a bit time-consuming, but the instructions were clear and easy to follow. The bed of the cart is made of poly, which may not be as durable as metal, but it is easy to clean and rust-resistant. The wheels sit outside the bed, which may take some getting used to, but they roll easily over any terrain. Overall, we highly recommend the Gorilla Cart's GCR4 poly dump cart for anyone in need of a heavy-duty garden cart. With its innovative design and sturdy construction, this cart is sure to make your hauling tasks a breeze. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.